It's important we die in style, it's very, very important for I know this may sound morbid to people, there's nothing morbid about our mortality. That is a fundamental reality of our existence. Only if we are conscious of this reality will we plan and enact our life in as beautiful a manner as possible.
Sometimes life puts you in a situation where you can't help being a certain way. Leave aside being right or wrong. The way I think and perceive is my way of doing things, but it may not be right for others. Who decides then what is the right way? And if there is one, what is the right way?
See, people who think in terms of right and wrong are too absolutist about life. Life is not about absolutism. It is all one inside the other, in the sense creation and creator are wrapped into the same thing. Here we sit here, this very body has been created from within. So this piece of creation and the source of creation are mixed up. Or let me come to a more mundane example. Right now, if you look at it logically, see, this right and wrong is because we have a linear way of thinking, looking at everything in terms of cutting into pieces and say, okay, this and this, black and white, A and B, like this. So right and wrong. Let's say man and woman, male and female. See, right now if I ask you a question, are you a man or a woman? Well, whichever one you are, you will say that. This is absolute. So just because you are a woman, does it mean to say your father has made no contribution for you? Or just because you're a man, does it mean to say your mothers have made no contribution for you? Well, you are a mix-up of man and woman. On the surface, you are just a man or just a woman, but deep down, you're both. Because how can you say that your mother or your father doesn't exist within you? So please do not think in terms of right and wrong. Our actions have to be appropriate to the situations in which we exist. My actions, will it bring well-being to myself and everybody around me? If this one thing, if you hold it within you, you don't have to worry about what is right and wrong. As long as your volition is inclusive, your intentions are inclusive, everybody's well-being is included in your intention. If you just fix this one thing, you don't worry about right and wrong. I feel accepting failure is a dangerous process. I would say it's better you learn not to fail, because it depends what you're doing. Once you know how to sit here with a very profound experience of life, you are a successful human being. But successful human being means this, that you know how to be.